Tampa Palms North-Ashington Reserve, living at its finest. Welcome to one of the select neighborhoods of Tampa Palms North with the option to join Club Tampa Palms, offering a Florida family-friendly lifestyle in New Tampa. This sumptuous home offers magnificent living space in an open split floor plan, cathedral ceilings, crown molding, plantation shutters allowing for sunlight to brighten the beautifully crafted living space, and family gathering-friendly kitchen. The kitchen features spacious layout for hosting parties, entertaining guests, or family meal times with beautiful granite countertops, brand new large French door, smart refrigerator in fingerprint-resistant stainless steel, as are the other appliances. Relax in a very private master bedroom suite with extended living space and grand master bathroom and its splendid garden tub, walk-in shower, dual sinks and walk-in closets. In addition to the 3 other bedrooms, this home offers a large 17 by 11 bonus/game room. Extend your family fun into the oversized screened in Lanai and beautiful solar heated saltwater pool pump just replaced. Tampa Palms is conveniently located with easy access to I-75, restaurants, shopping centers, hospitals, USF and Tampa International Airport. A must-see home. Call today for a private tour. Make sure to view the 3D Virtual Matterport Tour.